Hi guys, in front of me is Pixel 8a and let me show you how to add Google account. First open the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts and mark add account. Choose Google as we want to add Google account and provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. And mark next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only your password is entered, click on next. Here you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with everything, just mark I agree. And now just mark more, select the backup and storage setup and tap on accept once selected. So that's it. This is how you can add Google account. If you want to remove it, just mark it and then select remove account. Confirm it by tapping on remove account. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.